In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email into Smartsuite using Email Parser by Zapier. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that captures information from incoming emails and creates structured records in Smartsuite without manual copy and paste. Start by opening Zapier and creating a new Zap. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. Think of a Zap as a small workflow. A trigger starts the process and an action completes it. In our case, the trigger will be an email being passed, and the action will be creating a record in Smartsuite. For the trigger app, choose Email Parser by Zapier. This tool reads incoming emails and pulls out the pieces you care about, like a sender's name, an order number, or a message body. If you haven't used it before, Zapier will prompt you to connect a parser mailbox. Connect your email parser mailbox next. The parser creates a unique mailbox address for you. Send or forward a representative sample email to that address. It's best to use a real example that matches the emails you expect to receive because the parser learns from the format it sees. Keep the layout consistent to improve accuracy. Avoid including sensitive information in your sample. If it's present, remove or mask it before sending. Now set up the parsing template. In the parser interface, highlight the exact parts of the email you want to extract and assign each one a clear label such as subject, name, company, or message. Be precise with your selections and include only the text you need. If your emails include repeated items, make sure the layout is consistent so the parser can detect them. Save the template and let the parser generate sample output fields. Back in Zapier, pull in a test trigger to confirm the fields are coming through cleanly. With your trigger ready, add Smartsuite as the action app. Choose the action event that creates a record in the right place. Then connect your Smartsuite account. Select the correct workspace, solution, and table so records land where your team expects them. Map each parser field to a matching Smartsuite field. For example, map an extracted subject to a title field, a passed email address to a contact field, a message content to a long text field. Watch out for data types such as dates or numbers and adjust the formatting in the mapper if needed. When everything looks aligned, you're ready to let your automation handle incoming emails and turn them into organized Smartsuite records automatically.